Hi teachers, my name is Angela Beeson. I have this great tool that I want to introduce to you. I think it helped me tremendously. It will really help you too. So today what I want to present to you is Brisk Teaching. It is a Google add-on, so you know how you use ChatGPT, Magic School AI, TUI, Diffit. You always have to jump to their website, right? The benefit of Brisk Teaching is that it stays on the site that you are, no matter it's Google Docs, Slides, YouTube, or whatever you have on that page. It's with you, so you don't have to go to another place, and it will do wonders for you. So let me show you quickly how to get to this. So I have mentioned all these different things, and the benefit is that even Google Slides, you can generate Google Slides with it, including the picture. Isn't that awesome? And also student writing and assignments. I think this is a great feature that you have. And you know what? The best price is free. And this is just as Canva, Canva is totally free, but this is majority of the feature for us is free. You can use it. And there's only a few functions that have to be a school purchased. I will show you quickly in this video. What's the difference? Okay. Create and change level, majority of different kind of AI tools all can do these, but the giving feedback and inspect writing, imagine you're giving feedback right at the student work. You don't have to import your student work to another database or another AI tool. So it's right there. It's great. So I'm going to show you for giving feedback, you have different options, glows and grows, which is very general, just giving what area you need to grow and what area you did well. And then you can input your rubrics. Yes, when you put the rubrics, let the AI do comparison how the student is doing. And then you can do a next step. And so you do this and what next step skills that you need to master, and the targeted. Targeted actually is a paid feature, but once you sign in, you can have a free trial. I really, really love it. So if our school district or our school can make it happen for our teachers, that would be so wonderful. Okay, and then the inspect writing, I'll show you how to use that. Create and change level, that's very self-explanatory. You can use it and play around. You will know how to use it. Okay, so let's take a look. A word of advice. So whatever AI tool you're using, always remember 80-20 rule. So you need to check the accuracy, bias, and then always add on your own thinking and your resource. Okay, so don't rely 100%. And we need to teach students to do the same. Okay. I will send the Google web store link, or actually post it in the description so you can install it. I find, I don't know if it's our district or what, but when you install it, it doesn't seem like anything is happening. You wait for a couple of minutes, refresh the browser, and then you will see it on the bottom right of your screen, and you can log in. And somehow we have to log in twice. I don't know why, but after you log in successfully, you'll be able to use it. Okay. You can always hide the icon because right now I'm in a presenting mode. You cannot see the brisks, but when we do the inspection, you will see it. So it will be in the bottom right, and then you can drag it and put anywhere you want, so it won't interfere with your button if you happen to have one at the bottom right. And you can also hide it. You see that it's right here on the top. You can click on it and it will show, click on it, it will hide. So very easy. And let's take a look how to create. Suppose you go to a YouTube page and then you have Brisk on the bottom right. You click on it and then you have 4 different options pop up. You can click on create and then another window will pop up and have so many different resources. The ones with this badge on, these are all paid version for schools. So you can see their state testing, observation notes. So our school or district, if they want to provide this for us, these are all fancy tools that we can all use. But even if it's not letter of recommendation, newsletter, emails, lesson plan, if you want to do anything, it will create for you. If there's something is not here, you can use something else to put in the prompt. Tell the AI what you want them to do. Very fancy, very nice, and the best of all, these are all free. And you don't have to move around to different pages. You can get it done on the page that you're on. Okay, let's take a look. this is giving feedback. I mentioned to you, this is one of my loved feature, because when you give feedback to the students, the other tools, you have to enter the student work into their platform. Here, you stays here, and then the platform will do it for you. So I want to give you an example of how to give feedback. So this is one of the work I have for my Chinese 4. I teach Chinese, and I asked them to go to this site to generate random icons to create a story, and I asked them to use Mizo. Mizo is another AI tool. I have the students to check their feedback. And please know, including Brisk and Mizo, that the AI tool I use, they all compliance with the Privacy Students Act. So their data is being protected, is not being shared on the web. So that's what we always have to think about when we use tools like this, right? So I have the student to draft their own thing and have AI to revise it, have them to do a comparison, see what they did well, what they need to improve. So student have handed in this work for me, and then I really want to give them feedback. And you need to highlight the area. If you don't highlight, it will give you feedback on anything on the page, right? So you need to highlight this, and you tell the Brisk, hey, give me some feedback. Okay. After you log in, the Brisk will do its wonders. And if you don't want it to be the bottom, drag it up a little bit. Click on it, and then you will see here it says, give feedback. And because I have the trial and I have their PD, they give me this feature for free. You do the same, you can get it for free until the end of the school year. Test it out. So targeted, you can see there's a badge, it's a premium feature. And you click on it, let's see, do its wonder. You can tell what you want them to do. You can upload your rubrics. And because even though I teach Chinese, a lower level Chinese or Chinese 4, they need some help with English. They will really understand the feedback. So I will just leave it as what it is, and let's do Brisk. And it's generating. All right, so Brisk have done it. So you see the Brisk will find out some targeted feedback given to the students, and always remember what you have to do is you need to read the feedback, see which one you like. Hey, I like this one, comment. I don't like this one, cancel. So you have the power to decide what you want to use, what you want to keep, okay? So isn't that a wonderful tool? If we do it, and it saves us so much time to draft the feedback. Okay, so this is the feedback feature. And also you can also give the feedback for glow and growth, and then the next step, for the time's sake, you go explore on your own. All right, the next one I really want to show you is the inspection. So this is a sample student work. I want to check whether the student have cheated. So a lot of AI cheating detection tool are not working, right? Even though it's human, right? They still saying that it's AI, and then it's not accurate. So how can we do? I think this is what the brilliant mind of Brisk is presenting to us. So what they do is they will use the history feature to see how the student did. Did they type it and then they erase it just as you're editing your thought goes, and how do you write it? Or is a big block of copy and paste? They will show you, and very quickly you can replay, and then that's your evidence. So let's take a look. After you click Brisk, and then click Inspect Writing, and you see it's showing a movie how this article was drafted. So you know at the beginning it's very quick. You can replay if you need to. This was typing and it was erasing and was keep going sentence by sentence. And suddenly the second paragraph all in green. That means the second paragraph actually all copy and pasted. So you will know the student, either they went to Google Translate or they went to AI tool. It's not their work. And you immediately know. Isn't that a wonderful tool? I think it's just a breakthrough that we have evidence the students are not doing what they're supposed to do, which is writing by themselves, right? Okay, so let's come back, and I really think that this AI tool can help us to give feedback quickly, and then also inspect their works, and then can really reduce our time. One last feature is changing level. It's really good for all the teachers who need to give supports for your student. And you don't have to jump to another page. Go open a website or even your own Google Doc and then ask it to change level. And I won't spend too much time. You can see you can choose all different languages if you want to give them that too. So play around. I really hope this tool will help you so you can focus on teaching instead of doing all the prep work.